Competitions are an important part in the cubing community, and it's also important that you know what you should and shouldn't do. So make sure you learn all of these so you don't have to learn these common mistakes the hard way. At competitions, it is crucial to not know what you are supposed to be doing, and that is why you listen to the introduction at the beginning of the competition. The introduction will explain how the competition is going to be run, and don't worry, they will also explain some of the most common mistakes and how to avoid them. But even if you've been to many other competitions, it is still encouraged that you listen to the introduction because most competitions are run differently, and like I said, the introduction explains how the competition will be run, so even us pro-cubers still listen to it. Trust me, you'll be thanking yourself after you listen to the introduction. The next mistake you're probably making is you might not be judging properly, because at a cubing competition, about half the time you're there, you will be judging, and the other half you will be solving, so it's probably a good idea you know how to judge. I currently don't have a video about this, but I will link one in the description. Now the third common mistake I have on this list is not being where you're supposed to be. And this is one of those things that can get you kicked out of the competition. If you didn't know already, when you first get into the competition, they will give you a name tag. And on the back of that name tag will be your schedule. Now at the competition, this schedule is your best friend. Without it, you wouldn't know what to do. This schedule pretty much just tells you where to be at what time. They should explain most of this in the introduction. This next one is a big no-no, alright? Never talk about your solves until the round is over, because it could give the other person an advantage which wouldn't be fair. You'll just have to be a little patient to tell your friends about that epic PLL skip. If you're enjoying the video so far, maybe consider subscribing and give this video a like, so YouTube can recommend this video to more people. This next mistake I find to be the most common, and it's learning new algorithms shortly before the competition. At first, learning new algorithms doesn't seem harmless at all. You're also probably thinking it would benefit you. The truth is, this will harshly affect your times, and I'm going to tell you why. So you know when you learn a new algorithm and that case comes up in a solve, but when you try to do it, you mess up, or even worse, forget it altogether? Imagine you're at competition and that happens. It would be horrible. And just to be safe, stay away from learning anything new before the competition. This next one is more of a joke, but still, just stay away from doing it. Don't use illegal algorithms. Or in other words, don't purposely try to make your solve take longer. For example, here's a normal H-perm, and here's the illegal H-perm. The thing that makes this H-perm illegal is that it takes way longer than the normal H-perm. And surprisingly, just doing this algorithm will get you kicked out of the competition. I don't know why someone would ever want to do this, but it's hilarious. Alright, now if you think competitions are only about competing, you would be wrong. Okay, competitions are for competing, but it is also really important to just have fun and make new friends. This is one of the best things at any competition. So the next time you go to the competition, make sure to make the most out of it and have fun. Thanks for watching.